Oh no, I mean, I'm going to speak to
I ran across RJ when this kid was doing the half pipe down in Proof Labs, and so I guess he was a little busy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I told him, hey, when you get the chance, go to Camp Meeker and do the Sonoma Canopy tour where you zip line through the trees. Kid. I don't know if he got around to that or not. Yeah, I
have seen it out every so often. I mean, obviously, as I'm sure you know this week, it's a pretty busy week.
Yeah, the IPO just came out this week. He's just going to use the money to get a second plant up and running. Manufacturing comes out twice as fast. But, you know, I know from reading other people's things, like, I don't want to deal with it. Get jacked out with it, just thinking of
So when you slide the kitchen in, you just walk to the other side of the vehicle and the kitchen's right there. So very easy to fill up.
USB.
Yep, or your laptop or your telephone. Yep. So you can do your dishes, you can take a shower, wash the dog, clean off the wetsuit.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, but you have
Strong water
to,
pressure.
the water, you have to put it in by
Yeah, so
yourself?
there's a water tank here. So when you slide the kitchen into the truck, you go to the other side and the water tank is right there. So it's very easy to fill it up.
You guys get to stay in line, right? Someone's got to stay in line. You guys can take turns looking at it.
Yeah, coffee grinder. And
Go ahead and
go ahead and open the doors and see everything that's included.
Does it come fully appointed with all the...
It does, even these pots. So it comes with everything you need except for your groceries. Yeah.
Nice, very cool. Very cool.
Take some more popcorn for you guys. Yeah, so it comes with all the things. You can open the drawers and see what it comes with right there.
So when we buy it, it will come with all these.
Yeah, so it comes with the pots, and in the store here you see all the utensils, and it's all in cork, so it's not going to rattle when you drive.
Yeah.
It stays organized, which is
And
nice.
so what is this? This is
Which thing?
over there.
Oh, I know.
Oh, the pot.
Yeah, so these handles come off, and the two pots face each other, and they go right in there. That's right.
Really cool.
Yeah, the ladder for the right underneath and it can hook right on the seat. I put the glue by everything together. Maybe 2 minutes to fully set it up.
If they put another tent on wrap.
Yeah, the rack's already, so where these cargo crossbars that come with the kit, they clip right into the bed of the truck. Those same rack that they put in already built in the
Oh, they're already in.
And all the other stations will be open.
road or to plow and grade the road to maintain the road. But also, you go in places where like the road's washed away or the trees, and you literally tilt the truck sideways.